Cobra Commander, I will destroy you. No, you won't, Batman. Watch me defeat you. Kapow! Ha! Commander, you're not getting me. I will, Michelangelo. Well, look, get this, Cobra Commander. Kapow! Yeah, let's go. Yeah, heroes are gonna win. Yeah, heroes are gonna win. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. What just happened to you? Kapow! Now. Turn that way, because you're going to get this. Kapow! Heroes always win. Always, always, always. Who are you? My name is Doc Ock. Do you want to defeat the heroes with me? I think I will do that, Doc Ock. I'm Cobra Commander. They're all dead. Let's jump down there. Woo! Woo! Tink. I think one is approaching. What's your name, you villain? Oh, I'm Doc Ock, a villain who's working with Snake Commander now. I just met him. With Cobra Commander, you mean? Yep, and here, kapow. Oh gosh. Ugh. What the just happened? Did Mikey defeat him? Kapow, Mikey! Ugh. But you're gonna die for this. Kapow! Oh. I don't care about what you say, Cobra Commander. No one cares what you do, what you say. Get this. Yeah! Put this. Yeah! Ow! Ah! Ow! Ow! I'm getting up here. Almost. I need to get up here. Ugh. Almost. I'm up. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. Now, Cobra Commander, take this. Now, Cobra Commander, kapow! I think we defeated him. Yeah, I think we did too. I think... Are they all dead right there? Maybe. I don't know. But it's gonna take a while. You okay down there, Mikey? Yeah, did we defeat them or what? I think we defeated I think we defeated them. I think not. Well then get this. Kapow! Get this. Kapow! You think I'd fall for that? Not on my watch. Though. Kapow! That's another day on the job for the heroes.